You're welcome to Remit Forex channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to upload your identity card and your proof of address on Deriv platform. So if you have choose Deriv as your preferred broker for Forex trading or CFDs and also options and other financial assets, this video is for you. This is a simple guide on how you can quickly upload your documents and get verified immediately. And the verification for the Deriv will take you about 24 hours to 48 hours for them to completely verify you once your upload is very clear. So the first thing you have to do is to have a Deriv account. So let's say, for example, if you don't have a Deriv account, then check in the description of this video. You see a link for you to create an account with Deriv. So the next question should be, why Deriv? Deriv have stayed in the financial market since 2001, and I have been trading with them since 2016, and they've been proven to be very stable, and they are a very good broker, tight spread, and a lot of deposit options. So all you need to do is to open a Deriv account right now. And the way you can do it is to check in the description of this video right now. You see the link for you to register with Deriv. And after you've successfully registered, the next thing is not to deposit, okay? The next thing is to verify your account. The next thing you have to do to verify your account is to go to this very area right here, these three lines at the top left, and then go to account settings. If you click on account settings, you go to this very place, verification. Then under verification, you have proof of identity and proof of address. Click on proof of identity. Proof of identity will open this very page for you, and click on upload documents. So if you click on upload document, it tells you to choose your country. For me, I am in Nigeria right now, and I have to choose Nigeria, and I will click next right here. And the next thing is the options that you have. So if you have an international passport, you upload the international passport right here, and also driver license, identity card, and name slip. This name slip, you have to attach it with your proof of age declaration. That is age declaration. You can get it you can get age declaration from any courts close to you. Or if you don't have age declaration, you can upload your birth certificate, okay, for your proof of age. And once you can choose any of these four identity methods, just choose one and then upload document and wait for them in 24 to 48 hours, and your account will be verified. The next thing here is for you to go back to these very settings to proof of address. If I click on proof of address, it will bring me to this page. I have already uploaded proof of address. That is why it's telling me your proof of address is verified. And the thing you can use for proof of address is your bank statement or any other utility bill. What I use here is my bank statement. Okay, my bank statement contains my house address and my name, which also align with my document. I mean, my identity card document. So all of this is very simple. Just upload the proof of address, which I said preferably bank statement that reflects your name, and most importantly, your address where you are staying, okay? And that address must align with the address you've given to Deriv the time you were doing personal details or personal contact, putting in your name and your address. It must align with what is in your proof of address. So once you do that, you submit it, and then you wait for 48 hours max for them to verify you, and then you start trading. And one thing I also want to show you in this video is how to deposit on Deriv. It's very simple for you to deposit on a platform and then connect it from the platform to your MT5, and then you can start trading on your MT5 platform, either you're using your phone or your PC. The only thing you need to do is to go to these three lines at the top left and click on it. You will see cashier. Under cashier here, you click on cashier, then deposit. Under deposit here, you see different options. So we have different options here on the deposit. The first option is right here. We have e-wallet, local payment method, credit and debit card, instant bank transfer, and e-wallet. Again, the process repeats itself. So you can choose any of these method and deposit. This e-wallet mean either paper or screw and all the rest. Local payment, you can deposit directly via Deriv account, and then you can use your credit or debit card and all of those stuff. So this is for this payment method. And you go to the next payment method, which I prefer, and this is the one I use, which is cryptocurrency. I can go to my Trust wallet or my Binance account or Bybit account, and then copy this very address from this platform and deposit into this very area. And then the next one here is this very one right here. You can buy cryptocurrency from this guy immediately if you don't have. And then we have the local currency deposit method, okay, from a verified merchant in your own country. So let's say, for example, if you don't have a verified Deriv merchant in your country, you can't use this method. So, but the most preferred method is this very one right here, the cryptocurrency option. So let's say, for example, I want to deposit with cryptocurrency. All I need to do is to click on it, and then it will take me to this page. I already created this very TRC20 wallet. So if I want to add another wallet, I have to click on add another wallet, and it will tell me to choose. And then these are the options that are remaining right now. So I will choose Bitcoin and I will click add account. Once I add account, it automatically create the Bitcoin account for me, and then now said phone your account to start trading. So if I want to deposit Bitcoin right here, can click on deposit now. Once I click on deposit now, you see this very address, I have to copy it, go to Binance and withdraw from my Binance account, or I will copy this address, go to Trust Wallet or MetaMask, and then paste this address and withdraw. And you have to read this instruction very, very carefully. Do not send other cryptocurrency to this address. Make sure you copy your Deriv account address correctly into your crypto wallet. In your crypto wallet, make sure to select BTC network. Okay, this is the most important thing here. Ensure you select Bitcoin network when you are withdrawing from any platform you're withdrawing to Deriv. Okay, so this is how you make deposit with Bitcoin. Let's say, for example, I want to make deposit with TRC20, and right here, all I need to do is to move to this deposit option, and then it will bring up this very area for me because I already have this account. I will click on TRC20, and then I'll come here and click continue. Once I click continue, it will bring up this address for me. Okay, very important. I have to copy this address from here, go to my Binance account or Bybit account or Trust Wallet or MetaMask, and then paste this address and withdraw. Another thing you need to do is to read this information carefully. A minimum deposit value of 50 USDT is required. Please ensure that you send minimum of 50. Okay, so that means if you are sending 50 from any platform, you have to make it 52 because of charges. Okay, because the TRC20 network will charge you 1 USDT, that's $1, and then the remaining will land in your account. So please, you ensure that it is more than $50 that you deposit right here. Remember, the minimum deposit here is $50, so $51 is not a bad thing. You read other instruction here, and the most important one here is that the USDT must be sent through TRC20. Ensure you send your USDT through TRC20 network. Very, very important. I mean, the Tron network right here, and then you deposit. When you deposit through cryptocurrency, my experience is that the money will land in your account within 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes period, the money is already in your account. This is how you send your document for verification on Deriv, and also how to deposit on the Deriv platform. And also, if you want to withdraw, you go to the same cashier right here and then click on withdraw. So once you click on withdraw, it will tell you to proceed and then continue. First thing, ensure that your account is verified, deposit, and then you can start trading from there. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to the channel.